ISS's system for support staff recording and submitting their time is done through an application called eTime. This lesson will take a high-level overview of how the eTime process works and how to use EVV with eTime. To help explain eTime, we'll use a set of characters that represent each role in the process. First, there's Owen Ellis, the participant. His mother is Maxine Ellis. She is his primary contact. And Carlos Medina works as one of Owen's support staff. First, to use eTime requires that a support staff have a portal user account. It also requires that someone in the participant's circle of support is designated as a web approver, also called a circle approver. A circle approver is any contact within the participant's circle of support who is permitted to review and approve staff time. This individual must also have a portal account. By default, the participant and primary contact are always circle approvers if they have a portal account, but any additional member of the circle can be added as a circle approver. To add someone as a circle approver, contact the participant's SD coordinator. In addition to a portal account, support staff need access to an internet device during the shift to record their time, preferably a mobile device like a smartphone or tablet. The circle approver also needs access to an internet device to approve shifts once they've been submitted. eTime should be used to record time for all ComHab, Respite, and SEMP jobs. The process for eTime is fairly straightforward. It starts with the support staff recording their time. Once they've recorded a shift, they submit that to the circle of support to review. The circle approver will review that shift for accuracy and sign off. If there's something in that shift that is incorrect, the circle approver will return the shift to the support staff to make corrections. On the other hand, if everything in the shift is correct, the circle approver will approve that shift, at which point the shift will be submitted to ISS payroll. Now, if the shift is returned to the support staff, they will make any needed corrections and then resubmit the shift to the circle for review. After the shift is approved by the circle and automatically submitted to ISS, it moves into ISS's payroll processing. During this processing, payroll staff on occasion may identify an error or inconsistency that the circle approver did not catch, at which point the payroll department will return the shift back to a staff person to make necessary corrections. The support staff will make those changes and resubmit to the circle approver. The circle approver will review and then approve or return it, and it will flow back into payroll processing. Once payroll processing is complete, the support staff is paid for that shift according to the payroll schedule. When a staff person records their time, they will start their shift and specify the employer, which is the participant, the job they're working, and the method. The various method types will be explained more in a later lesson. After specifying these three things, eTime will be able to determine if the shift requires EVV. If it does, the staff will specify the location as home or community. If they select home, eTime will grab the staff person's geolocation to verify they are at the participant's home. If the staff selects community, the staff's geolocation will not be used. Upon completing the shift, if the shift requires EVV, staff will again specify the location as home or community, and eTime will verify their geolocation if they select home. Once a shift is ended and all necessary details are filled out, the staff will submit the shift to the circle for review. Once a shift has been submitted, the circle approver will log into the portal to review the shift. In addition to reviewing the details of the shift, they will need to approve or reject any override requests, like changes to start or end time, and approve or reject any overlaps the shift may have with shifts for the same participant from other support staff. Based on all of this, they can approve or return the shift. If it is returned, the shift goes back to the staff to make the necessary corrections. If it is approved, the shift is automatically submitted to ISS for payroll processing. Additionally, upon approval, the required EVV data is submitted to the New York State Department of Health to maintain compliance.